Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I've got this back panel off of my C6 Z06 and I'm doing that to try to get at the battery a little easier. But anyway, I came across these things, this one here and that one over there, and I tried to figure out what they were and I wanted to share it with you. Come to find out, that's part of the battery, part of the antenna system for the car. And there's some little wires that come off of there. There's a green one, goes through right there, and there's another one on the other side, and they go into this area back here. So that is your antenna system for your car. Just sharing a little bit of trivia on the C6. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if there's more, if you want more from Froggy. And maybe the early C6s didn't have it there, but mine's a 2013 and that's where it is. See ya. Froggy out. Bye bye.